Hi, I'm Dr. Natalie Gonzales. Welcome to Sow, Grow, and Glow. I'm here to talk about the ways that a hobby like gardening can help you thrive. It all begins with a tiny seed and a big dream. It means getting my hands dirty and my feet wet. It means sunshine, rain, and mud. It means letting those pollinators and those little creatures thrive in my garden as much as I do. It means patience, dedication, and tender loving care. Whether your hobby is gardening or anything else, it should be a journey of love, patience, and endless wonder. Eventually, I get to immerse myself in the pleasure and abundance of the harvest.